This is an unboxing video of a new blackhead remover I received. Now apparently this is like a vacuum cleaner, a mini vacuum cleaner for all of your blackheads, and it's supposed to be really gentle on the skin. It's quite soft is what I read. So just unboxing my new little pack to see what is inside it. If you turn it over, it talks about all its features, same things that most products usually claim about. Lasting battery, LED screen, it regenerates the skin, it has firming skin, purifies the pores. These are the specifications. I'm just holding it up so you can see. And all of the basic good things that you'd expect in a blackhead remover. So let's open this out. So a little mini leaflet with instructions on how you can use the product. Let's use a manual. So it has a blue light, which is good. It's got an oval probe, lots of various ways of how you can charge it and how you can use it. Quite a handy little instruction manual. It's in English, so it's fairly easy to understand. It also talks about what the package contains. So in addition to the blackhead remover, it also contains a big round probe, a small round probe, an oval probe, and pack of isolation pads, the USB charging cable, and of course the user manual. So that's all of the little bits and pieces. It's done across. If I can get it out. It's a beautiful little product, looks really nice and classy. Has a USB cable to charge it, your little pads over there, and the various tools you need. To use this blackhead remover, the best way is to actually use a steamer on your face first, so that you can open up all of the pores on your skin. Or you can also use something called as a blackhead removing essence. It's a product that's quite fairly available in the market. And that product also will help in your blackheads being easily removed by this vacuum cleaner. If you don't use either of these products, it can be a little tricky to get all of the blackheads out of your skin. The next thing is these isolation pads, which you just insert into this little hole over here, and you put in whichever probe that you are using for your blackhead removal, and that's it. You're good to go. You need to charge your blackhead remover before you use it for the first time, obviously, and every time the battery says it is low. You can switch on the blue light just to see where your skin, where exactly it's cleaning on your skin. And the trick is to use it really gentle. So you put it firmly against your skin and you gently move it across. Don't stay in any one place for too long, because that can damage your skin. And since the facial skin is the most delicate compared to other parts of your body, it's always best to just lay it there firmly, make the contact, and gently glide along for effective removal of your blackheads. Thing to note is, when you've got it on your skin, just move it along gently. Don't ever try to take it out vertically off, because that can damage your pores as well. And don't use it for more than 5 minutes at one single given time. Now once you're done, if you need to clean it, all you need to do is remove the probe that you've inserted, use a cotton swab. Really easy to clean it, and just gently clean any kind of dirt that you do find around your device. It's very handy to clean as well, and just leave it to towel dry. It's the best way to clean. Do remember, this device is not waterproof, so don't directly take it under the water and rinse it off. Do just take out your probe and clean it with a cotton swab, and you can even clean the inside of this after you've taken out your isolation pads. You can just take it out from there and clean it inside to ensure it is nice and hygienic for your use next time. After you've finished with your blackhead removal, the best thing to do is to use any kind of nice skincare product, like a facial mask or toner, or just some nice soothing cream, to ensure that your pores all get regenerated and they're all nice and clean and moisturized, to give you the best looking, glowing facial skin without any blackheads. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, share, comment, subscribe, and keep coming back for more. Thank you. Bye.